So we just got these cabinet locks to put on some of the cabinets in our kitchen, particularly this cabinet here under the sink that we put some of our chemicals in. So we have a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old, and we just want to make sure everybody stays out of that cabinet. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy they are to install. You can install them with a piece of adhesive that's already on the device itself, or you can install it with 2 screws, but you don't need to use the screws. So if you live in a rental or you just don't want to put holes in your cabinet, you don't actually need to put holes in your cabinet. So we're going to give you a close-up and show you how easy they are to install, and then we're going to use our 4-year-old to demo that he can't get them open on his own. Okay. So as you can see, these are going to be very easy to install. We just need to line up the, first we're going to put on the inside piece. We're just going to stick that right on inside of the cabinet, and then second we're going to line up the latch piece so that we can put the latch piece on. So first, starting by just removing this piece of adhesive, backing. Alrighty, and then I'm going to go ahead and just put it on in here, pressing firmly to make sure that it stays on. And then I'm going to line up my other piece. And there's quite a big space, so you have a bit of give to line it up. So then once I have it lined up, just pressing firmly to make sure that my adhesive is on there. And if I want, I can go back in and use screws to actually attach these, but I don't have to. So then you can close it either just with a push, or the better way to close it is by actually pushing in and then closing it. And then once it's closed, you can't get it open. So as you can see with our little hands, open, and then you can't get into the cabinets or whatever it is that you don't want to get into. So these are going to be great without putting any screws into our cabinets, and really easy to use. You can just push it closed, or you can push here when you're closing it to make sure that it stays on better. And then if you like, go ahead and add the screws once you have everything lined up and exactly where you want it, and then you are good to go.
Mm-hmm.